Okay, so in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Magic Move feature that is only available in the Keynote app. What Magic Move will do is it's going to automatically animate changes between two slides. So how it works is the tool basically detects similar images or shapes or things like that, and it looks at those similar objects between two slides, and any changes that might occur, including location, color, size, it will kind of fill in the gaps as you go from one slide to the other. So we have our first slide here, which is me in the bottom left-hand corner and the shark in the top left-hand corner. And we need to animate this shark attacking me using Magic Move. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the slide layout over here on the left, and we're going to tap on this first slide until you get this menu up, and then you're going to see transition. So I'm going to tap on transition. I'm going to OK on this, and then we have several transitions that we can do, but the first option you'll see is Magic Move, so I'm going to select Magic Move. And then it's going to ask me if I want to duplicate this slide. And for this one, I'm going to say yes, because we want to use these exact same images. The only thing that's going to change from the first slide to the second slide is just the location of especially the shark. So I'm going to say yes and duplicate it. And now I'm on slide 2, which is just a duplicate of slide 1. And from this point, I can hit done at the top if you want, or you can continue editing. But basically what I want to happen is I want this shark to kind of swim and start attacking me over here. So first thing I might do is actually take my thumb and my index finger at the same time and kind of rotate the shark so he's facing towards me. I might take myself, again using your thumb and your pointer finger, grab and rotate me. And then we're just going to have the shark swim down, start attacking me. You notice the shark is behind me. I can actually fix that if I click on the paintbrush, then click on arrange, and I can do the slider so the shark's in front. Okay, so I have my second slide set up. And basically what I do now is I'm going to go back to my first slide, and I'm going to hit the play button. And then if I just tap on the screen, you'll see some magic happen. And just like that, I get attacked by a shark. Another thing too, if I wanted to, I can go back into Magic Move, and if I go to options, you can actually control how fast the animation happens. So by default it's 2 seconds, but let's say I want to slow it down to maybe 5 seconds. You see it kind of happens a little bit slower. So go ahead and have a little bit of fun with that.